Here is the Hero's Journey puzzle box. As you can see on the top, there are the four letters H-E-R-O, spelled out. If you are familiar with the Hero's Journey, it begins with a call to adventure, followed by some temptations and challenges. Eventually, the hero faces some kind of adversity that leads them to a death, or a symbolic death, upon which they have some transformation. Eventually, they return to where they came from and begin status quo anew with the experience of their journey and some kind of unlocked potential or boon for those that they're with. One of the quotes for the hero's journey is, "A hero ventures forth from the world of common day into a region of supernatural wonder. Fabulous forces are there encountered, and a decisive victory is won. A hero comes back from this mysterious adventure with the power to bestow boons upon his fellow man." With that in mind, here is the hero's puzzle box. So we feel around on the top. There's nothing loose. Try to open this, what looks like a drawer. It's completely stuck. And look at the back. The back is tapered on the bottom. Nothing comes loose. Upon further inspection, these four tiles are fairly similar, however this one is special. This one, with a little extra force, comes off. On the back of it is a magnet. You begin to feel around the box for some kind of magnetic attraction or repulsion. Feel each side. To no avail until we reach this side with one distinctive line on it. To the left of it, there's some repulsion. In the middle, perhaps some temptation. And then to the right side, a challenge that is eventually overcome. We hear something change in the puzzle box. Does this mean that we can open the drawer? No. However, we first have overcome our initial obstacle and now are in a place where we are ready to continue on our journey. Unfortunately, this means for us to face our greatest fears. We turn over the puzzle box and are shown a heart, symbolic of the life and death of the hero. At this point, the hero has died, or symbolically died, and what we must do is resuscitate them. Are we successful? Perhaps not. Let's try again. It appears we were. The drawer now slides out a little bit further. At which point we're reminded that for the hero's journey to be complete, the hero must venture back to the place from whence they came with newfound knowledge and experience and accomplishment. Begin status quo anew. As this happens, suddenly we are able to pull out the drawer and accomplish what we were asked of at the very beginning. As we peer inside, you can see the mechanisms that are taking place. And inside of this box as well, first is that of the locking key. The key upon which we completed our first objective. This key is 2 pins, one magnetic, one not, with a magnet located on the back side as so. This falls into corresponding slots on the left side of the box, and with a little bit of opposition it forces the pin out of its slot and allows the box to move. The next obstacle is death, which is this hole right here inside of the puzzle box, and as well this magnet and ball bearing right here. When placed upside down and given a good whack, this magnet falls onto the corresponding magnet right here inside of the puzzle box, creating a sound and allowing us to realize that we have completed the second step. The third step is this R right here. As it's placed back, we see there's a mechanism right here in this hole. It's hidden at first, but this is the mechanism at play. There is a stick with a row of magnets on electrical tape that is attracted to the R, and as soon as the R, but it's slightly higher than the base of the inside of the puzzle box. As soon as the R is released, it is lowered and catches onto this bit right here, and when pulled forward will not come all the way forward. As soon as the R is placed again, the resistance is gone, and given some force, it pulls along the upside of the puzzle box, allowing the drawer to release, completing the hero's journey and allowing us to access the contents of the inside of the puzzle. There ends the hero's journey. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.